Alright, here we are at Cocomo Joes. It is Sunday, August 2nd, 2009. Chris Alverez and the boys are going to be playing here, and it's some kind of Thunderbird alumni kind of thing. I don't know what that's all about, but we'll find out how many people I know when we get inside. Cocomo Joes. What is Jake already signing autographs? You already signing autographs, dude? What up, Mikey? What up, boys? Linoleum. Hello. What up, Chris? What up, Wes? Hi, Jan. What's up, Dave? Hi. Hi. What up, kids? Baby. What up, B? Hi, Jack. What's up, Terrence?
How you doing?
What up, Charlie?
What's going on, Zach?
Rock and roll, man! Oh, that's a cool effect. Oh. Here, say hello with food in your mouth.
Rock and roll. How many people are here from Thunderbird High School? Call this somewhat of a Thunderbird alumni type of a show. I want to thank Cocomo Joes for having us here once again.
Woo!
Give a round of applause for Cocomo Joes, please.
Dude, say hello. Say hey. Woo. What up, Joel? Is that Joel Rustler? Is that Joel?
Yeah. Damn.
What's up, Johnny? Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, Ray. Johnny! You know what? It's really out of focus, but this camera is so good that it really sees what I see, but it's all out of focus. It's rare that I get on tape. Right on, Hey, that's a sprinkler. Yeah.
Let's just call him Smell My Tommy Bahama.
Kevin Bernard!
Ladies and gentlemen, can I direct your attention to the stage, please? These kids are from a Little League team called the Arrowhead All-Stars, and they are the state champions. Let me get a round of applause for state champion Little League, okay? Oh, nice hit, man. All right, what we're trying to do is we're trying to raise some money for them to go and compete in San Bernardino in the what? The Western Regional Finals. We've already got a donator. We've got a donation. Come on in. Who can top? Who can top $100? That was good, dude. Thanks for the $100.
So these guys are really excited. It's 13 kids who've worked their butts off to get where they're at. And we will so have the final party here at Cocomo Joes! Woo!
Thanks, everybody. The band will be back. My name is Zach. Good night.
There we go. Every win. Whoa! We've got a man down. Man down. Kirby Hubin. Kirby Hubin. All right. I gotta go. Bye, Jen.